Thank you, Chairman, for giving me an opportunity to participate in this discussion on the amendment bill of the Chartered Accountants Act, the Cost and Works Accountants Act, and the Company Secretaries Act. Sir, I am proud to state that I am a Chartered Accountant, practicing Chartered Accountant, and I am here in this profession for the last 40 years. Sir, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India since 1949 is being administered by, under the administrative control of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It is being managed by a council which has got 40 members, out of which 32 are elected from among the members of the institute, members of the profession. 8 are nominated by the Government of India. So there is already a control by the government. I don't know why the government should bring in such a bill where the control they want to, entire control to be taken off by the government or the bureaucrats. It is not fair, sir. Sir, the profession at the time when it was started in 1949, there were only 1,450 members. Now it is 3,50,000 members. Sir, the total number of students at the time when it was instituted in 1949, it was the number of students were less than 5,000. Now it is more than 8 lakhs. See, the students in 1949 was less than 5,000. Now it is more than 8 lakhs. Sir, our former President of India, he applauded the profession, stating that the Chartered Accountants are partners in nation building. All through the last 72 years, the profession was along with the government, whoever be in government in power. We have contributed largely, and for example, in 1985, the tax audit was brought in, and the Chartered Accountants are doing the tax audit. This was increased the revenue of Government of India to a large extent. So my humble request is that by bringing in certain provisions which will destroy the profession, that government should go back from that decision and it should not be implemented. Sir, say I would just go through the details of the provisions also. As per Section 21B of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, the disciplinary committee of the ICAI currently consists of 5 members, in which 3 are members of the profession. And the president and vice president of the institute will be either will be the presiding officer of the disciplinary committee. Now, as was already mentioned by all the members, that the disciplinary committee is going to be headed by a bureaucrat. Is it correct? All professions, other professions you go through, it was already mentioned here. I would like, sir, it was, excuse me? It is an insult to the profession, no doubt at all. See, the disciplinary mechanism is a quasi-judicial work, and the members should have adequate knowledge and functional experience in the field of accounting standards. There are international accounting standards, the auditing standards, the commercial laws like income tax, GST, customs, money laundering, Benami property transactions, banking mechanism, and cooperative societies, etc. See, when a person coming from outside the profession, he do not have any experience in these matters. Which government secretary has got any experience in knowing accounting standards, auditing standards? It should not be allowed. Sir, the proposed amendment in the system, regarding the legal profession, it was mentioned by many members. The Bar Council of India, the Council of Architecture, the National Medical Commission, everywhere the person from the profession is heading the disciplinary committee. The Section 9 of the Advocates Act 1961, sir, the Bar Council shall constitute one or more disciplinary committees. Each shall consist of 3 members, out of which 2 shall be persons from the elected by the council and its members, and the 3rd member shall be a person among the advocates who possesses the qualifications specified in the proviso of the section. Sir, the senior-most advocate amongst the members of the disciplinary committee shall be the chairman of the committee. Sir, as per the Architects Act 1972, all the complaints against the architects shall be investigated, and all inquiries relating to misconduct of architects shall be held by a committee of the council consisting of 3 members, of whom 1 shall be elected by the council from among its members, 1 member from among the members nominated under clause B, and 1 member among referred in the clause D, subsection 3 of section 3. The chairman of the disciplinary committee shall be elected by the members of the committee among themselves. Sir, there also only a member of the profession becomes the chairman of the disciplinary committee. Sir, under the National Medical Commission Act, the medical registration board comprising of 5 doctors, among them 1 shall be the president, 2 whole-time members and 2 part-time members. Sir, in the proposed amendment to the Chartered Accountants Act 1949, the majority would be non-chartered accountants, that is, other than chartered accountants, who do not have any experience about the practical functions of the chartered accountants, which is not appropriate and not acceptable to the profession. The interference of the central government in the internal affairs of the institute is an attack on the autonomy of the institute. I recommend that the existing position regarding the composition of the disciplinary committee should be retained, and the presiding officer should be a chartered accountant, someone with the knowledge and expertise in practice about the application of the accounting and auditing standards. Sir, with these words I conclude.
Thank you. Sri Saptagiri Ulaka.